Get ready. Start. The fourth respondent has contended that the petition is not maintainable in law and facts. Full point. The accident took place due to the negligence of the driver of the car bearing registration number KL10 AH0234. Full point. The compensation claimed is very high. Full point. The fourth respondent is having valid registration certificate and the vehicle is insured with the fifth respondent. Full point. With these main contentions, the fourth respondent has sought for dismissal of the petition. Full point. Para. The fifth respondent has also denied the averments made in the petition. Full point. It is contended that the deceased was a minor aged 15 years and had no valid and effective driving license to ride the motorcycle. Full point. There is violation of policy conditions. Full point. The fifth respondent also sought for leave to raise all permissible defenses under section 170 of the Motor Vehicles Act. Full point. The compensation and interest claimed is excessive. Full point. With these main contentions, the said respondent has sought for dismissal of the petition. Full point. Para. On the basis of the above said pleadings, the following issues are framed by this court on 6/4/2018 : issue number 1, whether the petitioners prove that late Akash R. Kumar, who was the son of the petitioners, died in a road traffic accident that occurred on 25/2/2017 at about 1:30 p.m., when the deceased was proceeding on the new Hero Honda Splendor motorbike of his father from Virajpet towards Bittangala and reached near Ambatti, and the first respondent came in a rash and negligent manner in the Ford car bearing registration number KL10AH234 from the opposite direction and dashed the said motorbike, resulting in injuries being caused, and the deceased succumbed to the said injuries. Para. Issue number 2, whether the fifth respondent proves that deceased Akash R. Kumar was a minor, aged 15 years at the time of the accident, and hence the fifth respondent is not liable to pay any compensation. Para. Issue number 3, whether the petitioners prove that they are entitled to compensation, if so, how much and from whom, para issue number 4, what order or award, para to prove aforesaid issues, the first petitioner examined himself as PW1 and got marked X.
Exhibit P1 to Exhibit P8 full point. The respondents did not lead any oral evidence full point. However, the insurance policy relating to motorbike issued by the fifth respondent in favor of the fourth respondent and the insurance policy relating to Ford car issued by the third respondent in favor of the second respondent are marked as Exhibit R1 and Exhibit R2, with consent of both sides full point. Para I have heard the learned counsel for the petitioners and the learned counsels for respondent numbers 3 to 5 full point. Stop.